Your 2015-2019 Hyundai Sonata key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You can find these at most electronics stores or online for a few dollars. To begin, locate the small slot on the side of your key fob. Gently use a small, flat screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob at this point. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery inside. Now we'll replace the battery and reassemble the fob. Start by noting the orientation of the old battery. The positive side should be facing up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR232 battery in the same orientation. Now simply snap the key fob case back together. Ensure it's securely closed. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car from a distance. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or visit a dealership for reprogramming, though this is rare. Dispose of your old battery responsibly at a recycling center.